Today, data analytics is one of the fastest-growing careers in the world, and many companies are actively searching for professionals who can transform raw data into clear insights and powerful dashboards. Two of the most popular tools used in this field are Power BI and Tableau, and both can open the door to high-demand jobs with competitive salaries. In many markets, a skilled analyst working with these tools can earn anywhere between $70,000 and $120,000 per year, or even more, depending on experience and industry. But the question many beginners ask is simple: which tool should you learn first, Power BI or Tableau? Power BI is a business intelligence platform developed by Microsoft that allows you to connect to many data sources like Excel files, databases, and cloud systems, and then transform that data into interactive dashboards and reports. One major advantage of Power BI is that if you are already good at Excel, learning Power BI becomes much easier because many concepts are similar, such as tables, relationships, calculations, and data modeling. Tableau, on the other hand, is also a very powerful analytics platform known for its advanced visualizations and strong data exploration capabilities. But unlike Power BI, Excel knowledge does not help much, which means you often need to learn many concepts from scratch. However, it is important to understand that the most valuable skill is not just learning a tool. The most important thing is learning how to analyze data correctly, how to ask the right questions, and how to transform numbers into insights that help businesses make better decisions. To become a strong data analyst, you also need some fundamental knowledge in areas like mathematics, statistics, and logical thinking, because these skills help you understand patterns, trends, and relationships within the data. When it comes to popularity, Power BI is currently more widely used, especially in companies that already rely on Microsoft technologies like Excel, Azure, and Microsoft 365, which makes it a very practical choice for many professionals. Tableau is also very respected in the analytics industry and is known for its strong visualization capabilities, and in some markets, Tableau specialists may earn slightly higher salaries because the number of experts is smaller, while demand remains strong. But overall, Power BI continues to grow rapidly and is becoming the preferred analytics platform for many organizations worldwide. At the end of the day, the tool you choose matters less than the analytical mindset you develop, because once you truly understand how to work with data, you can easily adapt to any analytics platform and build dashboards that turn complex information into meaningful insights. And that brings us to the end of this comparison between Power BI and Tableau. The most important thing is not just choosing a tool, but learning how to understand data, analyze it correctly, and turn it into insights that help businesses make better decisions. If you want to improve your skills in Excel dashboards, data analysis, and business intelligence, make sure to explore more tutorials here on the Other Levels channel. You can also visit www.other-levels.com, where you'll find professional Excel dashboard templates, learning resources, and data analysis solutions designed to help you work faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.